Good morning, everybody. Welcome to No Risk, No Farm. My name is Leo Risk, and today I want to share a day with you here on the farm. A normal, regular day. We have at least two bigger tasks in front of us, so I will talk about that a little bit later. But first, start with a nice breakfast here. All right, this is my last bite. It was quite a delight. Now I'm prepared for the day full of farm work. Let's get to it. Today we have about 5 degrees outside, so I think jacket will not be too much. Yeah, the first thing we're gonna do today is to take care of the chicks. They're growing up pretty fast, and yeah, we have to bring them outside in one of the outbuildings here, and yeah, I need to prepare that first. Okay, let's go and check them out. Yeah, here we are at one of our outbuildings. We use it for different purposes. One of them is like slaughtering, and yeah, we have also the brooder box in here, and yeah, some other stuff like storage, and our freezer is in here. So it's yeah, really all different kinds of stuff here. Okay, let's go and check out the box here. I built this box out of insulated door panels. I got some of them and figured, okay, that would be a good purpose. Initially, it was just one big compartment, and then I figured, okay, why not using it for maybe different purposes. So we started out with using it only for chicks, but then after a while I divided them in into four different compartments with these panels here. And actually, in the winter time, when the rabbits were ready to give birth to a new litter, I put them in here, which yeah, had the benefit that it was nicely insulated. I could put in a heat lamp in here, and yeah, they were pretty protected from the weather here. So it also has a little type of screen for ventilation here in the front. The thing is, the cats are also sometimes here in this room, and it would be, yeah, I mean, a little bit dangerous for chicks to be here when the cats are around. So yeah, I'm having this screen here up front, and here is also a little sliding door. I can close it for the night, so it stays nice and warm in here. Yeah, so let's get to it and put some shavings in here and some feed, and then go and get the chicks. Yeah, I put already some water in here. This is a heated water, and you see the black pipe in there. So that's actually meant for adding water to the bowl, and also the cable is running through there, so I can do it from up top. I don't have to actually go into the brooder box. So this is good enough for this side. Let's quickly do the other side as well. See, I need to get more of these shavings next week. Running low. So here we got the feed for each group. So yeah, in total we have 2 groups. Maybe you can remember. We have the one group is the black copper marans, and we put them together with some white chickens from our own flock, so that we don't so that they don't get mixed up. And then the other group is just the mixed group from our own flock here. Yeah, so then I think the brooder box is ready. We can go and grab the chickens now. Yeah, here they are. As you can see, they grew up quite a bit. Right now they are about 4 weeks old, and how can I say it politely? They are definitely quite ugly already. Yeah, it is what it is. They need to go out, that's for sure, and make room for the next batch, which is hatching today. So we have these boxes. They're pretty convenient for transportation. What I will do, I'll just take one group, put them in there, bring them over to the brooder, and then pick up the next one. Let's see how it goes. If they're not flying away. Oh, they're trying already. Come on. It's not easy. Trying to hide here. Oh, this is a pretty curious one here. Checking out everything here. No, Nala, this is not a snack for you. Stay out here. No, no, stay here. All right. Now we can put the box in here, just like that, and then help them to find a drink there. I might have to put a little stair here or something for them. It's a bit too high maybe. And here comes the second batch. The cats are looking already for a snack. No, that's not for you. No, it's not for you. So far I'm pretty happy. All chickens survived. These are the black copper marans. Pretty black. So the nights here in Manitoba are still a little bit on the colder side. So I think they will need a little bit of heat, at least at night. So I will put up this heating lamp maybe for the next couple days, not sure. And yeah, we'll watch the temperature and then adjust accordingly. I have a little notch here for the cable, and then might need an extension cord, not sure. Oh, actually it works like that. So now I need to kind of have it a little bit on an angle so that the other group will also get some of the heat. Yeah, I think they are big enough. They don't need a stair or something to get to the water. Yeah, I think they're big enough already. Seems like the chicks are pretty happy. They have now a little bit more room, and yeah, they can actually try to fly a little bit. In the first brooder box, it was a little bit tight already for them. Yeah, this is pretty good. I'm happy with the result here. The heat is distributed through both compartments here, so they all have a little bit of heat if they need it at night. And now we'll close the lid and yeah, let them be happy. For ventilation, I keep this stick here, and there will be a little gap so that they have a little bit of air exchange. Can open the slider here for the day, and then we'll close it at night. Okay, I will catch you on the next task. Okay, the next task on our list is to fix the tractor. A couple of days ago we discovered that it was kind of weak, and when I checked the hydraulic I discovered a broken hose. So I got a replacement, and now we need to go and to put in the new hose. So let's go and grab the tools first. Here is a new hose. The old one was leaking out of here, of this connection, so I couldn't use it anymore. So now we need to put it in here. First, I think I need to clean it quickly here, the connections. Okay, I have the plumber's tape now on the threads here, and I will connect this end first because this one is actually turning. So I will install this one first. Now it goes pretty easy. Okay, I have it untied here. Now I'm going to this end and do the same thing here. Here I need a wrench. All right, let's tighten this one first. I hope this will fix our issue. I mean, it was pretty obvious that it was leaking, but Not sure if that was the only issue. Now we have everything nice and tight, and we're gonna test it now. If it's actually working like it should. All right. So far, no leaks visible from here. So the issue was that it wasn't lifting the arm anymore, or at least very slow. So we'll see how it goes now. There we go. Huh? It's not all the way, just a little bit. Just still there. Why? What is the issue? Not sure what's going on. It's not even trying. So I can say for sure that I have enough oil in the hydraulic system. I checked that and topped it up a little bit, but that's not the issue. So what might be the issue then? So I don't know. Still the same thing. I have no clue. Yeah, I think I have to look into it a little bit deeper another time. Don't have time yet. We want to grill something today. This is a special type of grill. We just finished it a couple of days ago. Friend of mine from church came over and helped me with this. It's a barrel grill, which has a platform for fire. We welded a couple of those, yeah, I don't know how to say, but a couple of those brackets here to it, and some hooks, so that we can adjust the height if needed. And then it has this base, and on the base there is this griddle, which, yeah, you can put on, and then actually start grilling on the griddle. Yeah, the advantage is it has different temperature zones, and you can have some really hot stuff in the center, and if you have vegetables or something like that, you can have it more to the outside. So yeah, we tried it once already, but today will be the second time that we actually use it. So we'll see how it goes. It was quite a challenge to start the fire today. It's so windy here, but now it finally started, and yeah, it seems like we're on the right path here. We are still in the process of seasoning this griddle here, and yeah, I just applied another layer of oil to make it nice and smooth, so that hopefully the meat will not stick here. Yeah, there's always the chance that the steel bends in a certain direction when you first time heat it. So yeah, I was lucky that it actually was bending the way I wanted it, because it has a little logo here on the one end. So this way the G is actually the correct way around and not the wrong way around. So yeah, and this way the whatever oil or fat that burns off the meat, or actually goes towards the opening and not towards the edge here. I mean, if it would have happened that it would bend the other way around, then I think I would have to start the seasoning process from scratch. But on the other side, yeah, that's pretty good. So now you see the pan here on top. This is an old cast iron pan. I just used my grinder and grinded all the old rust off, and now I'm seasoning it as well. We'll see how it goes here. Put some oil in it and just heat it up slowly here. Okay, now I think it's the first time today that we put some meat on it, actually. My wife prepared some nice pork chops, and they will be awesome, I think. Sounds good already. Yeah, I think it's still not 100% seasoned yet, because as you can see here, it's still a little bit sticky in the beginning. So yeah, that will hopefully get better over time. This looks pretty good to me. Ooh. Oh yeah. I think the hot dogs are also about ready. Yeah, I'll call it ready. So, you guys, I'm excited for my late lunch today. See you later. You guys, I want to share something with you. Earlier today, I had some trouble with the tractor, right? So, and I was kind of thinking, how can I fix this? Because I don't have much time, and I also don't have too much experience with tractors overall. So, and I was in the house while we were eating, and I prayed about it. Because the Bible tells us that if we pray and believe, that God oftentimes will answer. And right now we are going through James in our church, through the book of James, and one of the verses is James chapter 1 verse 5 is, if any of you lacks wisdom, he should ask God, who gives generously to all without finding fault, and it will be given to him. And this verse encouraged me to do it, and pray precisely about this problem. And I didn't expect an answer right away, but after my meal, or after we had our meal, I went outside and towards the tractor, and all of a sudden I had a thought, like, Leo, did you check the connections in the back? So I checked all the connections in the front and checked all the hoses and stuff, but the remotes I didn't check. I will show you what I mean. These remotes I didn't check, so they can come loose. So what I did then, I went back here and checked all the connections, and they were all good. So, but the one thing here is a lever on the side. This one, it was crooked like this, or not in place how it should be. It's supposed to be this way. So, and yeah, I put it in place and started the tractor, and the problem was fixed. So that was an answer of prayer right away. So I was very surprised, and I'm really thankful for that. It's not always like that. Sometimes the answer could be wait, or God will would like to teach us some patience, or has a different answer for us. But in this case, I'm thankful, and I was happy to share how God answered my prayer today. We have one more task to do today, and that will happen in the barn. Our next task is in the barn, you guys. If you can recall, whoever watched maybe previous videos, we have 3 divisions in the barn, and 2 of them are ready, and they are used already by chickens and rabbits, and the 3rd one is not quite done yet. So what I did here a couple of days ago is I prepared this divider wall, which will be installed on top of the rabbit cages. This will keep the chickens in their spot so that they don't fly all over the place in the barn. So yeah, I will need to prepare some stuff, and but before we do that, let me show you a couple updates in the barn. Here we have a very rare opportunity to see brand new doe, which just brought a litter a couple hours ago. See, she's still preparing the nest, or is working on it. You see all the fur across the cage, and look how nice she prepared it. So I don't know how many bunnies she had, and I don't want to disturb her, but it's so nice to see. She's a first-time mom, so she's doing a great job. She will be probably one of my replacement does here. And yeah, let's go check out the other ones here. This litter came a couple days ago already, and I didn't check it yet, so I'm very curious what's going on inside here, inside the nest. Number 1, she's doe number 1. She's doing a great job as well, always keeping the rabbits nice and warm. And yeah, let's see what's inside here. Oh, it's full. Look at them. So they are big already, and they have fur all over them. One. Oh yeah, it's a bunch. I don't know. I will leave them. Because I have quite a few more to show you. So this doe is due in, I think, in 2 days. So we are waiting for the next litter. And the white rabbit was also had also a litter here. I didn't check it yet either. So this is the first time. There we go. Gray. All kinds of, oh yeah, they are pretty active already. So I will keep them in here. And the last one, I'm not very happy with this doe here, because she's pretty aggressive towards me. I mean, I'm not scared of her, but she's very protective. She doesn't allow me to, yeah, to feel the nest or look into it. And she also doesn't do a very nice nest. So it's the fur is not there basically. And I'm happy that the weather is nice outside, so it's not cold. Otherwise, they would have, they would have died already, because she's not taking care of them very well. So yeah, she will be probably not much longer here. And now, the last surprise is here. Our Domino, couple days ago, she had a litter. She had 4 kittens, very colorful, as you can see here. This is a very cute one, and yeah. So this is the update in our barn here, and now let's get to it, what we have in mind here. So before we install the divider, I have to prepare some 2x4s and attach them here to these rafters so that I have something to screw in. So the idea is basically, if you look over there, this small one I installed myself a couple of days ago already on that side. Yeah, it's the same idea, just in big, over these 4 cages here to separate, I'll call it the hallway of the barn from the actual compartment where the chickens are, so that they don't fly over and make a mess on the other side. So let's get into it. Now the 2x2s are installed here. Next step will be to bring in the divider panel and put it up here and screw it against these pieces here to hold it in place. Yeah, that's what we're gonna do next. You guys, I'm proud of my cameraman. He's a strong man. He lifted the whole thing with one hand, while I was struggling here with 2. I guess the gym pays off. Nice, it's almost in place. Now we need to level it a little bit and yeah, screw it onto to those 2x2 pieces, and then yeah, finish here and there a little bit. Okay, let's get to it. So I couldn't bear it no longer. I changed the bit. The one before was worn out. That was crazy. Looked like a skill issue. Okay, this was a skill issue. Nice. What a difference. If you change the bit, it gets quiet all of a sudden. Now the last 2 screws. Hard to get to them. We have the panel up now, it's all installed. The only thing missing is yeah, this little spot here, and beside the cages on each side, which connects to the wall. So I will need to close that as well, and then it's basically ready for the chickens, but that will not happen today. I don't have time for that today, so finish another day. It was quite a busy day today, guys. Hey, we accomplished quite a few things, eh? The chicks are happy now in the new brooder box. The barn is almost finished, at least for now. And yeah, the tractor is fixed again. And we had a pretty good supper. I'm happy that you joined in and that you are interested in our content. Thank you very much, and I hope to see you next time. God bless.